Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by inserting the GIF directly onto the slide so you can see its timing and placement. Use Insert Pictures and pick this device or online pictures. PowerPoint supports. GIF animation out of the box. Once placed, drag the corners to resize proportionally and position it in your layout. Make sure the slide aspect ratio, like 16:9, matches your export goals so the GIF isn't cropped. This initial placement sets up how the animation will look during playback. Now refine when and how the GIF plays by using the playback and animations controls so your timing feels intentional. Select the GIF, open the playback tab to loop or rewind, and set Start on Click or with Previous for automated flow. If you need precise sequencing, open the Animations pane and add delays or triggers. This matters when syncing with VoiceOver or other media. If PowerPoint treats the GIF as a video, use video tools to trim unwanted frames so the scene starts exactly. Finish by exporting and testing playback to ensure your GIF animates for viewers. Export the presentation as an MP4 video if you need universal playback. Note that PDF exports will not animate GIF. Embed the GIF file rather than link it to prevent missing media on other machines. If the GIF fails to animate, remove and reinsert the original. GIF file or export just that slide as a video. These steps usually resolve common issues and preserve timing across different devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.